Welcome, in front of me is the CUBOT X19 S, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into FastBoot mode. And to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you then want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. Okay, so now that it's off, power key, volume up, both of them at the same time. This will boot us into the boot mode. So in here, using only volume up, you want to navigate through the options, as you can see. And you want to select the middle option, which is the FastBoot mode. Now, I do understand that this is super tiny text and it's probably not visible in the camera. So just look for the arrow to be in a middle point, which is from the top one down, or yeah, there's only 3 options. So anyway, once it's selected, press volume down. And there we go. As you can see, text appear here. This is FastBoot mode, so that is how you would access it. And to leave the FastBoot mode and go back to your Android operating system, simply hold the power key till the device powers off. There we go. And as you can see, it automatically turns back on itself. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back on Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.